Russ College students was excited when the college won another round of the Retool Your School money. The award will be going towards the new renovations of the Student Recreational Center here at Russ. The director of the Campus Enrichment Program, Kendrick Armstrong, elaborates on what to expect. Armstrong indicates there is some delay in the project and could not specifically give an actual date for the work start.
I mean, currently right now, there's really not much to update. We haven't like had anybody come and do anything yet. I mean, I know with the Retool Your School though, big shout out to the campus for really voting and getting, getting us in the place to where we can get the money for some renovations. But as far as I know right now, like the executive team and everybody, we haven't, I guess, made like final decisions on what the actual renovations will be. So at the moment, it's not really much of a update per se at the moment.
Students can expect some new changes when the recreational facility renovation is completed.
A lot of the things that a lot of the students have brought up, mainly the weight room for sure. Even if that means knocking some of that space of the office and making the weight room bigger so we can add more equipment in there to kind of make it, I know the gym has a weight room for the athletes and everything like that, so kind of having the non-athletes a space to where they can come and, work out themselves as well. And also the movie theater, that's been a big thing. Honestly, I can't even remember, like when I was a student, I don't even think the movie room was working when I was a student. So that's a big project as well that we've had people come in before and kind of give estimates and things like that. So that's something that we could definitely revisit. I think that could add another dimension to student activities and campus enrichment to have an actual, movie theater back on campus.
Students will not have to rely as much on shortstop across the campus for late night munchies, Armstrong says.
So yeah, one of the new things we're also working on is trying to get the food station available for like a late night food type of restaurant per se, or a space where students can come, after the CAF closes and everything, just having them an opportunity to come and get different snacks like, potentially nachos, hot dogs, things like that, kind of concession area for students late night. I know the trips to McNass can sometimes, if it's raining or something like that, you're not trying to really go over there. So just having an option for students to have that option on campus. So
there's high hopes that the swimming pool will also be part of the renovation.
So as far as I know, I think it's more so athletics. So as far as I know, though, I've been seeing people come in and really look at the pool, and there's been talks that it might be done, for the fall. So hopefully that happens. I haven't had any. Now this is not breaking news of that. I'm not confirming anything, but that's just been some talks, about having somebody come in and make some renovations and hopefully have it up for the fall semester. So fingers crossed. Hope that happens.
Armstrong will not be carrying on the campus activities administration load by himself as he expects new staff members.
So we're kind of in a departmental change. So they're actually, I'll be having two new people in here with me as well. I'm a director of student activities and campus enrichment, as well as an assistant director of student activities. So the hopes is for them to be here in July. So at that point, we can all kind of meet, put our minds together, and kind of, see what has been working, see what hasn't been working, and kind of just all come together and come up with some different things to do. So none at the moment. Like I said, we're having departmental changes, and like I said, I have two new colleagues coming in soon. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to meet the two new people and like I said, collaborate and really come up with different things. As far as my role, though, I'll be more so strictly campus enrichment. So that's coming up with programs, initiatives, different things like that to keep the campus involved, not just academically, but, outside of, just Rush College as well, so planning trips to, Memphis and like just, really trying to build a all-around package for the students. I'll be over the student organizations as well as the NPAC. So those are kind of like my main focuses right now. But like I said, once the two new colleagues come in, we put our heads together, and we'll have a good plan for everybody.
Taneya Williams reporting for RCTV2 News.